Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. In this video we're going to look at how we can collaborate between the teacher or the presenter and the participants or the students that have joined the session. Now, just as like in the previous video, normally your participants would be there on their own device, but for ease of showing you exactly what to do, I'm going to have both the participant and the teacher using the same browser here on my LED. So I've started a session. As you can see here, I've got my session ID, and this tab is for the student, and the student's connected, they've entered their name, they've entered the session ID, and they're in the session. So what does that mean? Well, it means that anything that the teacher does, so if I take a pen here and I annotate, if we go over and look at the student side of things, that annotation is obviously already there. So how do we collaborate? Well, there's two different options. Firstly, as the student, there's a nice big button at the top of your browser. You click on Request Collaboration. I'm just going to jump over to the teacher side. Now, what the teacher sees is in their notifications, they can see that Andy has requested to collaborate. So what do I have to do here? All I've got to do is put a check in the box, close this window, and now if I jump back over to the student, if the student takes a pen, we know it's the student because it has the big collaboration button at the top. If I then make an annotation on the screen, it's then shown on the teacher's LED and everybody else that is in the session. So it's really, really easy for the student to collaborate with the teacher. The teacher always has a level of control, so they can always decide who collaborates and who doesn't. So I can take a check out of the box there. Student Andy is no longer able to collaborate with the teacher, but if the teacher wishes, they can simply put a check in that box and then they're able to collaborate again. So the control is always in the hands of the teacher, and it's really easy to collaborate with Contribute Cloud. If you found this video useful, please do like, comment, share, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.